According to Reuters, a federal grand jury has indicted 3 men in a fraud scheme involving the helicopters used to transport the U.S. President and Vice President. The 5-count indictment accused a Marine Corps officer along with 2 retired military mechanics who now operate this is key right here, who now operate a defense contractor of conspiring on a bid to do work for Marine Helicopter Squadron 1, or HMX-1. Craig Colhagen, a chief warrant officer in the Marine Corps, was accused of leaking confidential information on the cost of the proposed bid contract. He traveled from Quantico, Virginia, where the HMX-1 squadron is based, to Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, to take part in the selection board evaluating the bidders. According to the indictment, Colhagen had been ordered not to participate because of his close relationship to the other 2 defendants, it said. What's going on is that Colhagen raided Valor LLC, a Louisiana-based defense contractor that repairs helicopters for the military, higher than other bidders, despite serious past performance concerns about the company. So I guess it's widely known that this defense contractor who repairs helicopters for the military has fucked up some. Yet still, it's being rated higher than others. The other defendants, Dennis Pennington and James Bowling, both executives at Valor, or is it Valor? Valor or Valor, and retired Marine helicopter mechanics, worked with him to inflate the cost estimate of the bid and draft a proposal that favored their company. Pennington is the chief executive officer of Valor, and Bowling is president. James Bowling is president of this Valor, and Dennis Pennington is the chief executive officer. So, the 3 men each face 5 charges of wire fraud, conspiracy to commit wire fraud, and major fraud against the government, and procurement fraud involving their actions between 2011 and late 2013. Break this news.